Okay, this is part 4 of our lesson on constructing congruent triangles. In this video, we are going to explore why the side-side angle set of information does not guarantee congruent triangles, all right? Why it does not work. Okay, so side-side angle. So I see they say copy angle A, copy AB, copy BC. So when they say side-side angle, they must be talking about angle A, must be our angle, and AB must be our side, and BC must be another side. Okay, so let's start by copying angle A. So the way you copy an angle is you start by making a nice long segment for yourself. Okay, something like this. Alright, we're copying angle A. So let's see, can you see this? Alright. So I'm going to pick this side of my light segment that I just drew, and I'm going to call this my A prime. So I'm trying to copy angle A. The way you copy an angle is you bring up the point of your compass and you draw an arc that intersects both sides of that angle. Something like this. Okay? So I've intersected here and here. So I haven't changed the width of my compass yet. So I'm going to bring my compass down and draw that same arc again. Alright, so I'm going to put my point on A prime, and I'm just going to draw that same arc again. Okay, so you can see I'm drawing the same arc. So this intersection point is clearly right here. Okay, it's not point B, all right, but it's an intersection point. The other intersection point is going to be in this area somewhere. But to know exactly where, I need to change the width of my compass to record that distance. All right, so I changed my compass a bit to find that distance right there. So I'm going to use that to find my other intersection point. Okay, and I'm going to mark it like that. Alright, so this will be my other intersection point, equivalent to this spot right here, but on my new triangle. The point of these two is just they're showing me the measure of angle A, or A prime. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a segment through that intersection, but I don't know exactly where to stop it, so I'm just going to make it nice and long. Okay, because all I've done is I have duplicated the measure of this angle. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little mark like this to show that A prime and angle A are going to be congruent. So there, I've copied angle A. Now let's copy side BC, segment, we're going to copy segment AB. So here's segment AB. And of course, the way you copy a segment is you capture that length using your compass. Okay, so it's just precisely as I can. Here's A, and here's B. Okay, so I'm capturing this length. And then I'll copy that down on my new picture with a little bit of an arc. Okay, so that means here is going to be my new point B, and I will call that B prime. So we have copied segment AB. That's complete, so I can go ahead and darken that in because that is one of the sides of my triangle. Okay? And we're marking that with a single mark, so I can even go ahead and do that if I would like. So far we have copied an angle and a side. Okay? Now it's time to copy the other side. Okay, so we're going to copy side BC. Okay, well side BC, the way we copy a side, once again, is by capturing that length on our compass. Okay, let me try to make sure you can see it. So we're doing CB, or BC, same thing. So now I've got that distance captured by my compass right now. So I'm going to bring that down, and I'm going to try to duplicate it, okay, by drawing a nice arc and see where it intersects with the other side of the triangle. But a very strange thing happens. If I really think about it carefully, I won't stop my arc right there when I first see the intersection. I'm going to keep going, because what I'm going to find is there are two possible intersection points. Point C could be this intersection point right here, in which case the triangle would look like this. Alright, but technically there's another intersection point over here. And so it could be this teeny tiny triangle that you can barely see, but it still counts. So there's two separate intersection points. So that's why side-side angle doesn't work, because we really don't know which one of these two intersection points it's going to be.